Hello fitness enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the crucial topic of proper form in the barbell bench press. It's not just about pushing weights, it's about doing it right. A well-executed bench press can be your ticket to enhanced strength, efficient muscle building, and most importantly, injury prevention. We'll be breaking down the process from equipment selection to execution, and even highlighting some common mistakes to avoid. Remember, the key to a successful bench press is not the weight you lift, but how you lift it. Before we start, it's important to familiarize ourselves with the equipment and select an appropriate weight. You'll need a barbell, a bench, and weights. The weight you choose should be based on your current fitness level, strength, and experience. If you're a beginner, start light and gradually increase the weight as your strength improves. For more experienced lifters, choose a weight that challenges you, but still allows you to maintain proper form. It's essential to start with a weight that allows you to maintain good form. You can always add more weight as your strength improves. Now that we've selected the right weight, let's get into the correct position and execution of the bench press. The first step is to lie down on the bench. Ensure your body is centered and your head, shoulders, and buttocks are in contact with the bench. Your feet should be flat on the ground, providing a strong and stable base. Next, position your eyes directly under the barbell. This alignment is crucial as it sets the stage for a safe and effective liftoff and descent. Now let's talk about grip. You can choose a wide, medium, or narrow grip depending on your comfort and the muscles you want to target. Irrespective of the grip you choose, ensure your hands are firmly wrapped around the barbell. A strong grip not only ensures safety, but also helps in better activation of your chest muscles. To unrack the barbell, extend your arms fully, lift the bar off the rack, and bring it directly above your chest. Remember to keep your body stable throughout this process. Lower the barbell to your chest in a controlled manner, keeping your elbows at a 90-degree angle. Once you've touched your chest, push the barbell back up using your chest muscles and not just your arms. Let's do a few repetitions to illustrate the full range of motion. Each repetition should be smooth and controlled, with a focus on the muscle tension and not just the movement. Remember to keep your movement smooth and controlled. Rushing through the motion can lead to injuries. Before we wrap up, let's quickly go over some common mistakes to avoid during the bench press. Excessive arching of the back and flaring your elbows can lead to injuries. Remember, the key is to maintain control and keep your form sharp. After finishing your set, ensure to safely rack the barbell, as improper racking can also cause accidents. That's all for today's guide to the barbell bench press. We hope you found it helpful. Feel free to share your experiences or ask any questions in the comment section below.